Being a commercial capital, world looks up to it, but in the last 30 years, not one widow of manual scavenger has been given compensation. That case was fought by my daughter Isha Singh. She was a lawyer with me. It is only COVID that she took the civil services and she joined IPS, but otherwise she is a pass out of National Law School, Bangalore. With the best assignments from Trilegal and AZB, she refused because she said, I want to work on human rights. I think my Lifetime Achievement Award is dedicated to this mindset that we need to work for others. My biggest achievement in life is that the values I have given to my daughter, the values I have given to my children, that we are born to serve. We are not there only to think about ourselves. So these two women who shaped my life, my mother who could not work but said my daughter is going to work, I think that is the biggest thing that I cleared the civil services in spite of being married with a child, and I said the tribute was to you and my daughter, who is now going to serve you in Delhi Police. She was SHO, she said, and during the election, how much hawala she got. It would be a history that a trainee comes to Delhi and Delhi 6 mein Chandni Chowk mein hawala, red-handed, chasing people and catching bags of money. So this is the bravery which I have given, and I think on today's day what is required. You know what I say? I am a human rights and a PI and lawyer. I don't run after money. Corporate cases I don't take up. Otherwise, I have worked in the customs. I have 27 batchmates who are now Commissioner Customs. I have left all that only to work for the widows, to work for the human rights, work for the children. And so what I feel is, what these people were saying, we need to think about all of them. We all are very privileged. Leher, you really, I want to congratulate you that at least you are bringing up these issues. That we need to talk about. That we don't want to hear Neeta Ambani wearing this big diamond and doing 500 crore ki shadi. That is not empowerment. And हमको जो गुलाम बना रहा है वो ये इंस्टा में ये सब बना रहा है कि हमको जिनके लिए करना है, जिनके पास 2 वक्त की रोटी नहीं है, उनके बारे में हम नहीं बात करते. और नीता अंबानी को सुबह से शाम देख के मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है मोबाइल फेंक दूं, क्या करूं? Because it's all promoted. आप नहीं भी देखना चाहते हो, सुबह से खोलोगे तो नीता अंबानी ने ये किया, उन्होंने ये किया. Are we there for this? या वो करीना कपूर, please, they are destroying our mental culture. Today I would like to say कि अगर achievement award की बात हो रही है, we all are achievers, and let our achievement not be spoiled by these promoted social media. We are heroes in our lives, and I want to dedicate to every person sitting here this award that if I can do it, you can do it. If after marriage, after a child, I can clear the civil services, we can do it. Women में जो power है, जो शक्ति है, forget multitasking. हम गिरते हैं, उठते हैं, गिरते हैं, उठते हैं. हम में जो एक वो sensitivity है, जो compassion है, वो किसी में नहीं. We don't take failure as anything. I remember I was a class 1 officer. My mother-in-law said, तुम्हारी नौकरी मेरे लिए मिट्टी है. अगर मेरे grandchildren नालायक हो गए, अगर मेरे grandchildren अच्छे से पढ़े नहीं. Can you imagine? Our achievements are not taken for that because the children. But that's what I told my children. I said, you are my crowning glory. मैं अफसर बन जाऊं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन जाऊं, लेकिन अगर मेरे बच्चे लायक नहीं हुए तो मेरा अचीवमेंट सब खत्म है. With this sacrifice we go to office. So forget unpaid labor. Even the credit is not given to you because the moment anything happens in the house, you are blamed for it. So in these traverse circumstances, when we work and we stand here, I think with great humility, I would like to thank you. Thank you, sir, so much for having me here. And I would like to tell my daughter that this award goes to her because she has made me so proud. I told her you have to get through National Law School, Bangalore. On her study table, she put a paper, rank 50 because NLS Bangalore is only 50. She made it. I said, my dad was in the police, my husband resigned from the IPS. I said, you have to be there. She said, Mom, done. So this award is for her. Thank you so much.